In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Shein account effectively, focusing primarily on how you can log out from all devices by changing your password. This is a handy trick to know, especially if you've noticed any unusual activity on your account, or simply wish to ensure your account remains secure. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Shein website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Personal Center. This is the hub of your account management and can typically be found towards the top right of the screen on the home page. Click on this option to dive into the details of your account settings. Now that you've clicked into your Personal Center, you'll notice a variety of options related to your account. Look for the section labeled My Account, and within this section, there should be an option that specifically says Manage My Account. Clicking this will be your next action. It's important to note that this area contains several critical features for maintaining your account security and personal information, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available here. As you navigate through these settings, remember our goal is to change your password. Why change your password, you may ask? Changing your password routinely is a fundamental practice for keeping any online account secure. And in this case, it also serves a dual purpose, not only securing your information, but also automatically logging you out of all devices where your Shein account might be active. When you're in the Manage My Account section, look for the option to change your password. Click on it, and it will prompt you to enter your current password, which is a standard procedure to ensure it's you making the changes. Then you'll be asked to input your new desired password. When creating a new password, it can be beneficial to use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or sequences such as 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've entered the new password and confirmed it, submit your changes. Upon successfully changing your password, you'll be automatically logged out from all devices that were previously logged in with the old password. This ensures that any potentially unwanted access will be cut off immediately, bringing you a step closer to having a secure account. And there you have it. Your Shein account is now more secure and you're logged out from all devices. Always remember to keep your passwords in a safe place, perhaps using a password manager so they're both accessible to you and secure at the same time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.